In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two Outlook accounts on one computer. If you use Outlook for both personal email and work, you can keep them separate yet accessible on the same device. We'll do this in the browser using Outlook on the web and the account switcher, so you can move between accounts without signing out each time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you aren't already signed in, sign into the account you use most often, so that becomes your starting point. Give the page a moment to load your inbox. Using the web version is great because it keeps each account contained and makes switching quick and reliable. Look to the top right corner of Outlook for your profile icon. It may show your photo, your initials, or a generic silhouette. Click that icon to open the account menu. This menu is where you control who's signed in, and it's also where Outlook lists any additional accounts you connect. If you don't see your photo, don't worry. Initials or a circle icon in that corner is normal. In the profile menu, choose the option that says sign in with a different account. Depending on your region or updates, it might read add account or sign in with another account, but the idea is the same. You're telling Outlook you want to add a second login. Clicking this won't sign you out of your first account. It simply opens a secure sign-in panel for the next one. When the sign-in screen appears, enter the email address for your other Outlook account, then enter the password. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt as usual. You might also see a Stay Signed In question. Select Yes only if this is your personal device. Choose No on shared or public computers to protect your information. After you finish, Outlook will load that second account and keep it available alongside the first. From here, the profile icon becomes your switcher. Click it anytime to move between your accounts without logging out. Each account maintains its own settings, folders, and calendar, and your browser remembers them so you can jump back and forth quickly. For a cleaner routine, consider bookmarking outlooklive.com and pinning your tabs. And if your company has strict sign-in rules, follow those policies to stay compliant. That's all you need. By using the profile menu and signing in with a different account, you can manage two Outlook accounts smoothly on one computer.